If you're a homeowner in Queens, this February 2026 market update could impact how much your home sells for and how fast. So let's start with single-family homes in Queens.
In February 2026, a total of 192 single-family homes sold.
And that's slightly down from 200 homes sold in February 2025, representing a 4% decrease in sales activity.
Now, let's talk about prices.
So the median sales price in February 2026 reached $872,500.
That is up from the $822,500 in February of 2025, which is about a 6% increase year over year.
So even though fewer homes sold, property values are actually rising.
Now, let's take a look at how fast are these homes selling.
The average days on the market dropped from 76 days last year to just 62 days this year.
That's about an 18% decrease, meaning homes are selling faster.
And here's something very important.
Inventory dropped from 1,065 homes that were on the market from February of last year to just 935 homes available this year.
That's about a 12% decrease in supply.
So what does all of this mean?
We have fewer homes selling, but prices are going up. Homes are selling faster and inventory is lower.
That tells us that demand is still strong and well-priced homes are attracting serious buyers.
Now let's shift into multifamily properties, specifically 2 to 4 family homes in Queens.
In February 2026, 122 multifamily properties sold compared to 118 last year.
So that's about a 3% increase in sales activity.
The median sales price for those properties reached $1,172,500.
Up from $1,100,000 last year, which is about a 6.5% increase.
We also saw 118 multifamily properties go into contract in just 1 month.
So that shows strong buyer demand for investment properties.
But at the same time, there are 972 multifamily properties available for sale.
So while demand is strong, sellers are facing more competition.
So overall, what are we seeing in Queens?
It's a market where prices are rising, homes are selling faster.
But a strategy matters now more than ever.
This is no longer just a seller's market.
This is a strategy market.
The sellers who price correctly and market aggressively
Are the ones that are getting the best results.
By the way, if we haven't met yet,
I'm Alejandra.
and I'm Elias,
And we are with Empire Fine Homes. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like our content, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video.
we help homeowners across Queens, Brooklyn, and Long Island sell for top dollars using proven strategies and real market data.
If you are thinking about selling your home,
Now is the time to understand your property's true value.
reach out to us directly or click on the link below for a free home valuation.